Welcome, CRO family. Thanks for joining me today, April 25th, 2024. Subscribing, liking, commenting, and pressing that notification bell is very appreciated. This supports your investment. Now let's compare from yesterday's metrics. The price today for your coin is 12.7 cents, up 3.86% with volume up 41.89%. The price is ranging from a high of 12.7 cents and a low of 12.3. CoinGecko is showing a market cap of 3,387,205,000, which is up, and a trading volume of 16,509,000, which is up. Etherscan is showing 310,038 holders, up 52. CoinGecko shows the top 3 exchanges by volume are number 1 Crypto.com with 35.05%, number 2 is Upbit with 32.74%, and number 3 OKX with 14.49%. For our social presence on X, our main account has 2.8 million followers, and our main Reddit channel has 205,000 members. I hope everyone watching today is living their best CRO life, and I'll see you tomorrow. Au revoir.
Quickly before you go, can you predict tomorrow's price? Let us know in the comments.